and you drive your old 14-year-old Volkswagen at home, and you see your wife. People love to be admired and not to put down, and if you are working on the street, then people spit on you because you are nothing. If you are a doctor, then people look up to you because you save lives. You are good, you are a saint. But if I could choose 3 months surgeon or 3 months cobbling stones, I would choose surgeon.
Well, you say that to the children that they have to feel time to do something with their life.
I said to them, try to earn as much money as you can. If you get money, it's the best paper in the world, the best diploma you can get. Money is the key to every door. I don't betray the children. I don't say stupid things like money doesn't make happy. If you are without money, and I have experienced that, and you don't know if you can eat tomorrow, then you know how important it is to have money. And with money you can help other people. You can make people happy by giving them money. Hmm? If I had money, I would now take my private plane and I would come to you. In 3 hours I would be with you, and I bought you a nice mansion to live.